I sure hope nobody loses a hand today. Welcome back to Burns Hill Farm. Behind me, Dad is unloading the skid loader. Today we're putting in T-posts and running some high strength wire for an electric fence. So that's what we'll be doing today. So we're having trouble with these clips. They're having difficulty getting that clip part on that back flag. So if I can take a view from the top, you can kind of see how we have to get that little clip around, and it's not going the way we would like it to. So we're going to try to use a screwdriver, see if we can pry it over. We'll see.
Right here, that should work. Right about there. And right here.
Yep.
Okay. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Or not.
Yep, that's it.
There we go.
Let's go.
Good enough? Here.
Braking load, 1,100 pounds.
1,100 or 110?
170 kpsi.
Okay. We're gonna miss it. They're done. Thanks for watching Burns Hill Farm. We're learning as we're going. If you'd like to learn along with us, make sure you like and subscribe.
Just saying hi to the ladies and gentlemen here. We've got Mac, who's looking more and more majestic. Each time we come out, still learning the focus on this camera. So we got Ruth, and where's Sweet Girl? Sweet Girl right there. Nancy, Little Nancy. Little Nancy, the whole gang's here.